Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. To get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for your device, meaning content being visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. Yes, just a press, not hold. There we go, you get an obnoxiously loud sound with a pop-up right here with edit, tag, and share options, and that T also allowed you to select text from the screenshot, which, as you can see, we have things like Play Store, Samsung. You could select that and, for instance, copy and paste it. That is a very handy option when it comes down to documents. You could technically save that image and then just copy whatever text from the actual document, even though it's a photo. Anyway, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application, which will be located in the Google folder. And as you can see, it is visible under Photos as the newest one, but if you try to find it later on down the line, it might be easier by navigating into the library, and never mind, because Samsung saves the photos to camera again. So it's still going to be in between all the photos, instead of like every normal device does when they save it into screenshot album. In any case, here's the screenshot, and again, you do have the option to detect text in here if you wanted to, though it's going to be done a bit differently, which, let's see if I can figure out how you can do that. Oh, there we go, lens, and lens will allow you to well, select. Should be able to select right here if you had internet, I believe. Yeah, so it looks like we need to have internet. Though this is through Lens, Samsung has their own, I believe, option to select the text, which I don't really know how to access that in here at the moment. But you can obviously just capture a screenshot and click it when it shows up, just to showcase this. And there we go. And now we can select the text from here. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.